Did you know you can use other people's videos to create your own video without getting a copyright strike or copyright claim? This is possible with Creative Commons videos. Today you'll learn what Creative Commons videos are, how to find them, and how to use them in your videos so you don't get a copyright strike. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. What are Creative Commons videos? According to YouTube, Creative Commons licenses provide a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows users to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY license. If you've marked your video with a CC BY license, you retain your copyright and other users get to reuse your work, subject to the terms of the license. By marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So basically you can edit and reuse a Creative Commons video in your own video. You might ask the question, how can you use a Creative Commons video without getting a copyright strike? If you use the CC BY license, you're free to copy and redistribute the material in any medium or format. You can remix, transform, and build upon material for any purpose, even commercially. And it says the licensor, that means the person that has created the Creative Commons video, cannot revoke these freedoms as long as you follow the license terms. And the terms mean you must give attribution. This means you must give appropriate credit, provide a link to the license, and indicate if any changes were made. Here's a good example of the kind of attribution you want to add to the description of your video. You also want to make sure that the content in your video adds value, is unique and relevant. You don't want to just upload the entire Creative Commons video. You want to add your own commentary and narrative to the video so it won't be flagged by YouTube for duplicate content or reused content. If you want to learn more about reused content, click the link in the card. You'll receive answers to frequently asked questions about reused or duplicate content. Here's how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Enter your main topic in YouTube search bar. So I'm going to enter Big Waves, click the search icon, click Filter, click Creative Commons. Notice he listed all the Creative Commons videos for the term Big Waves. So I'm going to select this video, Biggest Waves Ever Surfed in History. If I click Show More, then I can see the license is Creative Commons Attribution License, Reuse Allowed. Notice he's also using Creative Commons music. Here's an important thing to keep in mind. Sometimes a person will download a copyrighted video, then change the video to a Creative Commons video to use it for commercial purposes. Therefore, make sure you identify the original copyright holder of the Creative Commons video before you use it in your video and give attribution to them in the description of your video. Another way to find Creative Commons videos, images, or music is to go to oldsearch.creativecommons.org. I'm going to enter Big Waves. Make sure you have the boxes checked, used for commercial purposes, modify, adapt, or build upon. I'm going to select YouTube, and notice in the search bar I've got the topic Big Waves, Creative Commons. If you want to quickly find Creative Commons videos for a particular topic, replace Big Waves with your own topic. Add a comma after it, then put Creative Commons. So you can see I've got the same Creative Commons videos listed here as I searched before in YouTube. If you want to search for Creative Commons images, use the news search bar by clicking here. Then just enter your topic in there, click the search icon, and I've got cats here. Got the image attribution right under the image. DSCF 3306 by Rowles is licensed under CC BY 2. Click on Info, then you can see the title, the creator, the license, source, and dimensions. Here are 3 ways to use Creative Commons videos in your own videos. Number 1, you can save time by using other people's videos. Instead of wasting time recording and editing your own videos, why not use other people's videos to get across your message? Just make sure you give attribution to the original creator in the description of your video. Number 2, spice up your videos with B-roll footage. Need a quick video clip of a dog jumping for your dog training video? Just enter dog jumping, Creative Commons in the YouTube search bar to find a Creative Commons video of a dog jumping. Number 3, make money. You can simply grab some CC video footage to create a review video of an affiliate product. At the end of the video, tell viewers to click the affiliate link in the description below your video so you get a commission for selling the product. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever used Creative Commons video clips in your own videos? Post your answer in the comments below. There's one big thing you need to know about when using Creative Commons videos. You must not use duplicate or reuse content. Watch my next video to learn how to avoid duplicate or reused content. You'll also learn about the best practices so you don't get a copyright strike. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.